What's going on, everybody? Well, I recorded this video, and when I went back and looked at the quality of it, camera's all messed up. Anyway, the quality isn't all that great. I recorded it all on a GoPro Hero 8, and it could have been better. So anyway, I'm going to clean my wheel that this video is about, and while you watch the video. So I'll do that, watch the video, and I will talk at you later. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff too. Bye. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today I am going to do some maintenance on my wheels for my 2012 Sportster 72. They haven't been done, and a couple of my felt were loose, so I'm just going to go around and tighten everything up according to the manual. So it means backing everything off and then tightening up to, or making sure everything's 55 inch-pounds on the spokes. So they say unloosen, quarter turn, tighten with the torque wrench for spokes until it clicks, but no further than a quarter past of where you originally was. So that's what I'm going to do. You do it in groups of 4. And I'll show you that. So group of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the group of 4. It says do 1, 4 all the way around, then do 2 and 3 all the way around. Again, you unloosen it, a quarter turn, and then you tighten it until the torque wrench clicks no further than a quarter past where your original setting was. And if it clicks before the original setting, you put it back to the original placement, to what you had it at. So I have the warp, I have the warp 9 adjustable spoke wrench to tighten them, and then I have just a regular spoke wrench that I got from my local motorcycle shop to unloosen them. So my lighting is horrible. I don't have a good light, so I'm going to use a flashlight. So basically you take and turn this one flat. So this flat side will be here. Then you take your torque wrench and tighten it up. And if it doesn't click in the original spot, you take it at least no more than one more turn. Then they say mark it. So I'm on the 4th one now. Mark the ones that aren't tight, but I'm just going to go around and do them all. So, and you start, they say start past your valve stem. So I've done these two. None of them has torqued yet. So, but I'm gonna go around to the next ones. It's easier if you do one side and then from the left side of the bike and the other side from the right hand side of the bike. So basically you do that clear around the wheel until you get back to your valve stem. So I'll do all of the 1s and 4s and I will return. Two more to go and I'll be around the first set. By the way, I have never done this before. This is the first time. Messing with spokes on anything. Alright, so I've went around the wheel once on 1 and 4, so I'm doing 2s and 3s next. Yeah, so anyway, I'll do all the 2s and 3s and get back. But I want to turn, it's a little cold out today. I want to turn on my torpedo heater, so we'll see in a few. I've been around the wheel once, so, and so far none of them has clicked to 55 inch-pounds yet, so, but I can tell you that there's no, I guess there is a loose spoke up here. I have one, looks like one loose spoke. Anyway, I'm gonna go around and do it again on 1 and 4, then go back around on 2 and 3. So we'll continue on this endless road here.
Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when...
Oop, that was my first click. So that one is tight.
It started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust. Moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough, hiding away from everyone.
It's another click. 2 out of the many. 1 on each side though.
I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it never happened. Maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination running out of steam? All I know is every time I see you.
There are probably better videos on this process. So, I mean, it's not hard to do. I'll loosen them a quarter-ish turn and tighten them no more than a quarter turn past the original location. You just don't want to tighten them because your spokes will go through that little rubber thing that goes around the wheel to help not puncture the tube with the spokes. So you can't just run them all down, you got to do it like this. So it's a pain, but if you just take your time, you'll get it. All right, we're back to doing 2 and 3 now. They are starting to tighten up for sure.
I feel insecure. I'm unable to find the words. How can I be sure? I'm holding on when everything's gone. I've gotta be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back.
There's another one. I'm probably gonna have to go through this wheel since it's my second go at it. Maybe 4 times. Hopefully just 3, but I expect 4.
My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough, hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. I fail to see right in front of me. There's a way I know. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel
Alright, so I went around the wheel twice. Not all of them torqued down, so I'm going to do it again. I'm not going to bore you with it. I'll just come back and tell you how many times it took to get her done. All right, it probably took 3.5 times around, but I went around it 4 times, I guess, to make sure everything was torqued. So my back wheel's done, it's torqued, and unfortunately it's probably 22 degrees out. So I'm not gonna be able to test ride it until probably tomorrow or Wednesday. So anyway, hopefully this helped. It's pretty easy. Again, back it off a quarter turn and tighten it up a quarter turn. And if it clicks before you get back to the original spot, just take it back to the original spot. But don't go past a quarter turn, past the original set. So anyway, it's just time consuming more than anything. Anyway, hopefully you learned something. So we'll talk at you later. Bye. I guess like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. So we'll talk at you. Well, I got the wheel cleaned. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time. And the next video will be kind of a surprise, I guess. So watch out for my next video. Like, subscribe, comment, and all the good stuff. We will see you later.